What's up, YouTube? It's Ken back with another video. I got two Baja Warriors from the Scrap Man. So yeah, we got these right here. We got two Baja Warriors back here on the trailer. I don't know if you can see them. That's them back there. I'll give you another video when we get home. Currently in Liberty, so yeah, we heading back home now. So we'll get back with you when we get home and show you them on the trailer. They the same, so we're gonna try to get them running and stuff, put some gas up in there and go through the whole same process, but we'll be back. These the two Baja Warriors. That's the back of them. Just got it here, been raining, so keep you updated. Both of them the same. Just putting this chain, because this one right here needs a chain on the jack strap. I'm gonna get it riding or started. We'll see what it'll do. Overall, that one I already have it. Just gotta change this little plate so I can screw it on. These panels, this is the plastic. The other one metal. This one had a little slide up in that cover. I want a metal one that's screwed on. I need to find another one like this. Don't have to worry about the metal one screwing on. I don't have no screws, but we finna put these links. Another link over there. I'll put it on and be right back. Put it on here. Took that little tension off. Give it a little slack. I don't want it too tight. Then I'm gonna have to tighten this chain up because it's too loose. So we're gonna do that about tomorrow. So yeah, it's just a little update. Put this on here. Put the cover on here. Let's see. Top and the bottom. Snap out the bottom too. Well, I guess I'll snap out the bottom first. Let's try that first. Let's see. Yeah. Alright. There we go. So now, yep, that's it. Got that situated on that one. Tomorrow I'll tighten the chain up and take it for a ride. Have a little light. We'll test it out. Be back. How it look. I'll clean this, see what it runs. We're gonna pull the bowl and see how it looks. The tank is right. Just put this carburetor on here and put another tank. Take this other tank off. Rusty, I'm gonna clean it. This one right here is clean already. And this the carburetor off the other one. I need to take the tire, so I'm just starting it up. Get it running. This carburetor here is new. It's clean and everything, so we're gonna put some gas in here. Tighten this up and see what it do. We'll be back. This the start. Put the carpet on here. Let's see if it fire up. Put that on there. Let's see. Start. pretty good so far. Test drive it. Roll up right on. Yeah, right here. Baja Warriors, all original. 96. Government still intact and everything. Headlight work. No batteries. On the flywheel. Pretty much yes. Did a real short ride along. Changing the oil because it's hot right now. So let's see how this oil look. Look, they dark on the well. Let's see what's like at the bottom. Just let you know if the engine is really good. It's mostly gas. Smell like gas, you know. See how water will look. Like it been outside in the rain, and most of this gas in it now. So we're gonna clean this up. Hopefully clean up pretty good. It should. It's not in real bad shape. Some, but some kid will love it. Clean tight now. It pulled me from 260, so should be good. Take this off. Fill it up. They're all thin. I would at least put it up on something, because if not, because it sit toward the back a little bit. These Baja Warriors, the front sit up higher than the back, so all the oil will drain under the engine. And that'd be a mess right there. I'd rather just a mess right here in the front, so we'll just do it like that. But we're gonna top this off. Get a rag and wipe this. I'll be back.